guys? Okay, today I will interview and here already have the girls. The Gadis Hawa Darmawan. Hello gadis. And
Oh,
Puja Aulia Kirana. Halo Puja. Okay, let's just ask them questions for Gadis Sahwa for the first. Okay, Gadis, are you ready?
okay, I'm ready.
Okay. For the first question, tell us about yourself.
Okay, for the first, hello, good morning. My name is Gadis Hewa Darmawan. I'm 19 years old. I'm a first year student at the Sunan Gunung Jati Bandung University. And I have been interested in teaching since I was in kindergarten. And since then, I want to be a teacher. I also like English, so want to be a teacher, and I decide to my major in English education, and my hobby is teaching children to read, and I often teach my cousin who are still in elementary school.
Okay. The second question, what subject is your favorite in school?
For my favorite subject, I like English literature. I don't know because it is fun to learn English using song, making dramas, or storytelling using English, of course. And it makes me hope that someday I will be an English teacher who makes English fun for my student because by learning English, I learn to be confident, to be able to interact with people or native while participating in the outdoor learning program in my school.
Okay. Okay, the third question, what is your dream job?
My dream job, of course, to be an English teacher in a school or private class because by becoming a teacher, I can realize my dream to make English fun and not scary for my student.
Okay, nice. Okay, the how do you manage stress?
Uh, for the example, class one, I felt overwhelmed with my coursework, of course, because I had so many video assignment, uh, and also I had to help my mom prepare capturing orders because I was also self-taught to improve my English skills. It felt very happy, but because I'm organized person, I divide it into types. If the task is very important, very urgent, sorry, I will do it to the first, and test important test I can be done afterward.
Okay, excellent. Okay, the last question for you. Tell me about a time you overcome adversity.
When I was in high school, I participate in Paskibra extracurricular activities, but it turned out that my posture was not good and did not enter the first team. But fortunately, at the time, my coach offered me to become an organizational board. So I find myself as general leader in the Paskibras.
Okay, enough?
Okay, it's all for me.
Okay, thank you, Gadis. Okay, Puja, how about you? Tell us about yourself.
Okay, my name is Puja Ulia Kirana. I was 13 years old, and as you know that I'm an extrovert person, and I easily get along with anyone, even with people I've just met. Besides that, I also like to do and try something new that I didn't know before that. Like now, I learning to how to be a filmmaker, and I like to do it something slowly but surely. And so I don't rush, and I will get best result.
Okay. The next question, what subject is your favorite in school?
My favorite subject it was reading
Oh, wow, nice.
because in this lesson besides sharpening there is besides sharpening my pronunciation, there were lots of stories. uh, so I will say it by learning while playing.
Okay. The third question for you, what is your dream job?
My dream job is to be an entrepreneur who has branches in big cities and also at all over the world.
Oh, wow, excellent. Okay, how do you manage stress?
I manage my stress by going to nature, like going to the waterfall or climbing a mountain, because I can relieve my stress by seeing the beauty of the nature. Besides that, I also relieve my stress by reading a motorbike, and also using the airport and going around the cities.
Oh, wow. Okay, the last question. Tell me about a time you overcame adversity.
Okay, when I was in elementary school, I was asked to join a competition with my teacher, but but this competition that was not in my field. At the first, I refused because I really couldn't to do this competition, but my teacher forced me to join the competition. Finally, I prepared for the competition with my brother, and at the end, I won at the third place of this competition.
Okay, thank you, Puja and Gadi. See you.
Okay, see you.